Today I'm gonna show you how to make an awesome chicken dish that is so easy to make yet so delicious that it's gonna wow everyone. And I'm also gonna show you how to make side dishes that will go really well with it. So check it out. So these are the ingredients we will need for this dish. So this is lemongrass. You pound and tie like this, or you can just tie like this. Even bother with pounding. And I diced 1 onion and few ginger and garlic, about 5-6 cloves. It doesn't matter dice or slice or paste or whatever. This is the easy dish. It's still gonna taste amazing however way you prepare. End result gonna be the same. It doesn't need to be beautiful. And finally, this main ingredient of this dish. This gonna lift up the flavor of the chicken, butter gourd. I hope it's available wherever you live in the world. So that's all you need. Beautiful, right? Lemongrass, onion, garlic, ginger, and butter gourd. Okay, everything is sliced and prepared. So we're gonna do the butter gourd. Come on, let's go. And I got here the hero of this dish, chicken. So we're gonna use all parts of chicken, drumstick, you know, all the wings and everything else in between except the breast. So we're gonna quickly marinate the chicken with turmeric powder and salt. That's all you need. So about 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder and salt to taste. And then just marinate. Okay, now we're gonna start cooking. So bring out your pot and put in the chicken. That's the first thing you're gonna do. Put in the chicken. And then you're gonna put everything else. The ginger, garlic, onion, 3 tablespoons of fish sauce. Also some wine. Okay, that's it. I told you it's gonna be easy. So you put everything in the pot and you're gonna fill this pot with the water. Let's do that. That's it. Just to cover all the ingredients. Put on the stove. And we're gonna cook with the high heat for first few minutes, and then it's gonna start boiling, and then we're gonna turn down the heat. And you put on the lid and you will wait. We're gonna leave it, but I'm not gonna waste any time. So while it's cooking, I'm gonna show you how to prepare side dishes. So let's do that. So for the first side dish, we're gonna put in the tomato paste. This is a homemade tomato paste. It's easy to make if you don't have it ready. So what you're gonna do is just boil the tomato. So once they're soft, if you have a blender, just blend it to paste, or you can just filter it with the sieve. That's how we do it. So just put in the tomato paste, and then you're gonna use a few sliced onion. Just squeeze out the water a little bit. I soak it for a couple of minutes. So just squeeze it a little bit, and then just put them in. And then I was gonna put some chilies, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. So our first sauce slash side dish is ready. You can also put in garlic if you want, but this here is nice and tasty already. Okay, so we have our first side dish. Now I'm checking the pot and you can see it's boiling now. So we're gonna turn down the heat first and put the lid back on and simmer it away. Okay, that's all you need to do. So second side dish we're gonna do is chili flakes in a wine. Really easy. Just put the wine about this amount, and then put in like chili flake. You can do it on the stove with a pan, but what we're gonna do is really easy and simple, and the result gonna be the same anyway. So on the stove is smellier and it's a bit dangerous. Dangerous meaning you might burn the chili flake. You don't want to do that. Okay, what you're gonna do is just put this in the microwave for 1 minute and it's done. Okay, so this just came out from the microwave and it's cooked beautifully. Look at the color, it's all done. So we got our 2 side dishes now, and we're gonna do the other one a little bit later. Okay, so it's been 15 minutes now. We finished 2 side dishes. So we back here to the chicken pot, check it now. Chicken should be almost cooked. So at this point, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put in my last ingredient, which is the slices of butter pot. Mix them up a little bit. The goal is when the chicken is cooked, this will be cooked at the same time as the chickens. So that's our goal here. And then lid back on, and you will cook it for 5 minutes. That's all, we need it there. So let's leave it and let's try to make the final side dish. Okay, so what I got here is 3 eggs beaten. Just season with salt, you don't need to do anything. So we're gonna do a really nice omelette. So one in the pan. Just scramble, scramble, scramble. Just fold it. Then slice up some Chinese cabbage. Blanch them. And place them in a bowl. Now let's slice up that thick omelette we made earlier. And transfer into the bowl. And then we'll make simple vinaigrette, olive oil in, followed by black pepper and a teaspoon of vinegar. That's it, give it a good mix. And pour the vinaigrette onto Chinese cabbage and omelette. And mix them up thoroughly, like so. And voila, that's it. Really simple, really delicious omelette salad that will go really well with the main chicken dish. Done. Okay, so it's been 20 minutes. Ooh, smell delicious. The smell of the ginger and lemongrass, the whole thing is just beautiful. Probably you're gonna make it at home. It's so easy, right? And it's only take 20 minutes. And let me check. It's cooked. It's all cooked. The gourd look beautiful. It just melt in your mouth. Ooh. And the chicken too. It's all cooked. The last thing you need to do is make sure the taste is awesome. It's really good. It's really full of flavor. This is it. It's done. Okay, that's it. Amazing rice meal with mouth-watering main chicken dish and yummy, colorful side dishes. Done. And it's all done in 30 minutes, you know. It's only took 20 minutes to cook plus 10 minutes prep time, so it's really easy and really quick to make. So try to make this meal at home for your loved ones. They're gonna love it and they're gonna be so impressed. Okay, so that's it for today. I'll be back with more awesome recipes later. So until then, take care. Cheers. Bye.